Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given RST as 3 points on a level ground and RT equals to ST, that is an isosceles triangle. We are also given 2 bearings and therefore I'm going to zoom in on the diagram here. I'm going to make a copy so that it's easier for us to have a look. Where we are given the bearing of S from R is 70 degree. The bearing of S from R, that means this is where the 70 degree is. Next, we are also given the bearing of T from R is 115. So if I zoom in here again, you will then see from R, if I were to zoom in to T, 115. So angle RST, do you see the angle RST is equals to angle SRT? Because they are base angle of an isosceles triangle, and therefore angle RST is equals to angle SRT, which is equals to 115 degree minus away my 70 degree, 45 degrees. Of course, you could also let people know that they are equal because they are base angle of an isosceles triangle. So now we know it is 45 degrees. And from here, we can actually see that this is actually 90 degrees later on. Okay? Okay, part B. Find the bearing of T from S. So I'm going to again cut out this diagram, put it here. So the focus now will be here. Bearing of T from S. So for this particular diagram, I'm going to make it bigger. From S, that would mean that at the point S, step 1, from S, that is where I'm going to draw a north arrow at point S, and the ending line is TS, T and S. That means when I draw this bearing, starting from the north in the clockwise direction, I will end here. So this is my bearing that I will need to find this angle. Okay? Okay, there are many ways to find it. The first way is, of course, previously we know this is 70. So by alternate angle, you will then see that this is also 70 degree. And previously, from part A, we know this as 45 degree. So will I be able to then find this part here? Yes, right. And this part here, the black color will be 180 degree, and the green color part is simply 70 minus away my 45. So that is how we get 25. So now is how do we present this particular working, now that we know how to do it. Okay, so step 1, it will be good if you could label this point here as x. So therefore my angle RSX is equals to 70 degree because they are alternate angles. And therefore I can then find my green color angle. Angle TSX is my 70 degree minusing my 45 degree. And so finally the bearing of T from S will be equals to 180 degree plus this 25 degree. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.